Okay, welcome back. Sorry about that. I wasn't paying attention to the time. Okay, welcome back. So next we're going to finish off the UVW. So select a little edge here. I mean, yeah, I know this probably isn't the best way. I mean, you should really try and make it into a T kind of shape. Which side's this? Okay, so that's this side. Move it into position. Press 2 to see which edge that connects to. Okay, 3, as you can see, it connects to this blue edge here. Sorry about that noise in the background, it's my budgie. She likes to, she believes that there is another budgie or whatever, in the mirror, and she keeps trying to smash it with her face. Oh, W. You crazy fool. Crazy beard. She's only 3 years old, so I don't think she's quite grasped the concepts of life yet. Okay, 2. As you can see, these two edges line up. Like I said, there's a lot of great video tutorials on UVW mapping. I know that Sean Barron on the that website, if you are a Goldeneye, if you're watching this from the Goldeneye source forum, then I know that Sean has posted a great video tutorial on there somewhere, but I found that the link didn't work anymore, so might want to look into that one. Okay, so you're all done for your UVW mapping. Okay, now make sure everything is selected. Move it into this little box down here. Basically everything has to fit in this little box, so just shrink everything down so everything fits in like that. Okay, try and center up roughly. Okay, and that's you done. Now go to Tools, Render UVW Maps. Now this is the size that it's going to be. This isn't a very big, it's only a box, so we'll just make it, I don't know, 512 in width and 512 in height. That's how big the texture file will be. Fill. I like to have it on a red, but that's because I like the colour, crimson, blood red. Wait, that one. Just choose a colour. Show overlap, just deselect that. Mode, solid, edges. That can be a bit harsh on the eyes, so turn that up to a bit of a grey. Blues. 0, 0, 0 to get black. Bit of a grey. Blues. Show invisible edges. I like to show the edges so that I can see what I'm doing. Then go to Render UVW template, and here it is. Then click this little save icon. Now, what we're going to do to keep things organised, we're going to go to our desktop, make a new folder called Congrats. Okay, and just save it in there, basically. So go to your desktop, Congrats, and you have to name it. Basically your finished source texture file cannot have a different name to this texture file. It can't have a different name, otherwise it just won't work. So I've saved it as congrats.jpg. Save. Okay, I can close that down now. Close it down. I'm going to run out of time again, aren't I? Okay, control desktop. I'm going to open up Photoshop. I'll just pause this video whilst it loads up. Okay, right, I'm back. Now what we're going to do once we've got Photoshop loaded. Sorry, I'm a Photoshop user. So, File, Open, and locate the file that you just saved to your desktop, which is in Congrats. Congrats. Open. I mean, if you wanted to, you could just skip this entire process. I mean, you could just use that on your model, but I want to try and fit this into 3 parts maybe. Okay, make a new layer. In fact, I like that colour. Sorry, I just love crimson. It's a beautiful colour, crimson and black. Beautiful colour. Of course, all these black areas won't appear on the texture. Sorry, little stupid fly got on my face and had to kill it. I hate these little bastards. You see them sometimes. Okay, make a new layer. I'm not actually going to change the colour of that. You can change it if you want to. And we're going to get our brush tool here. And we're just going to, what we're going to do is we're going to add some nice little effects to it, for example. Okay, so we're going to select box, like, where's that going? Magic wand tool, where are you? Magic wand, what could I have to? There it is, select the magic wand tool on this one, on this layer. Select that, and just select each box. Then go to select, modify, contract by about, I'm going to say about 4. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to get our paintbrush, go back onto this layer, make it a bit bigger, you know. Like I say, it's not going to be a fancy texture, just something simple. Just get your paintbrush, and then we're going to go Control X to change it to colour, and we're just going to change the airbrush, maybe change the opacity down to about 70. And just, you know, basically just go along your lines, click, hold down your shift button to get a straight line, and drag. Same for this, click, try and get in the centre, click, hold your left mouse button, drag down. Same, click, left mouse button, down, click. So all you've got to do is just to make a straight line, is just hold your left mouse button, hold shift, and just drag it in the direction. Do the same for this one, each part, and it should look quite nice in 3ds Max, whatever. Right, press Control D, and there you have that simple, nice, simple texture, and we'll use that, okay, for our model. Then press Control E to manage the layer down, File, Save As, and just save it as your congrats on the desktop congrats folder. Yeah, that'll do. Sorry, almost running out of time here, so that's that done. Don't need Photoshop anymore, so you can close Photoshop down. Okay, now we just press M for materials, go back, press the button next to diffuse, checker, bitmap, go to desktop, congrats folder, find the congrats, open, checker, and there we have it. It looks crap like that. Ooh, that's a bit out of line. Oh well. Like I said, I'm not the best UVW mapper in the world. Yeah, I can UVW. It's in F9, which is the render button, but that also stops the Camtasia video. Let's check it out. It's not, like I said, it's not the best UVW map, UVW unwrap in the world. But like I said, I'm trying to get through it quickly. This isn't a tutorial for UVW unwrapping. It's a tutorial to show you guys how to get your models into the Source engine. So that's it for this tutorial. Next part, we're going to be making the collision box and the model, the SMD files basically. So I will see you in part 2. The tools that you need will be provided to the right of each of these videos. So see you in part 2. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.